like my chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Raised underneath the shade of the Georgia pine, but that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. And my house is nothing much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground. And a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, no mother's love. It's funny how it's little things in life that mean the most, not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. Ain't no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast. A little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, know a mother's love. I thank God for my life, and for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones that give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, no mother's love. Get your little chicken fried, a cheeseburger in paradise, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and know a mother's love.